Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to move your Excel data into Google Sheets without any hassle, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to export your Excel files, whether they're in XLSX or CSV format, straight into Google Sheets quickly and painlessly. This is super useful if you want to collaborate online, access your work anywhere, or just make sharing a little bit easier. Let's dive right in. Alright, first things first, make sure you have your Excel file ready. This could be something you built from scratch in Microsoft Excel or maybe something a coworker or a friend sent over. The good news, it doesn't really matter if your file is a classic XLSX format or a CSV file, which is just a more bare-bones text-based version of Excel spreadsheets. Google Sheets is pretty flexible. As long as it's an Excel-related file, Google Sheets can read it perfectly well. Now, once you've got your Excel file handy, head over to Google Sheets in your web browser. You might land directly on your main Sheets dashboard, or maybe you're already inside another spreadsheet. Either way, you're in the right place. Here where things get straightforward. In Google Sheets, look up at the top left corner, you'll see the File menu. Go ahead and click on that. Sometimes menus can be a little overwhelming with all the options, but don't stress, we're just looking for the Import button. When you hover or scroll down, you should see Import. Click that. After you click Import, you'll see a few different ways to bring in data, but we want to upload from our computer. At the top of the Import window, there's a tab called Upload. Go ahead and click it. Then you'll get a nice big button saying Browse or select a file from your device. Click that and your computer's file picker will pop up, just like when you attach something to an email. Take your time here and navigate to wherever your Excel file is saved. Maybe it's on your desktop in your Downloads folder or tucked away in a specific project folder. Find your file, select it, and then click Open. At this point, Google Sheets will take care of the heavy lifting. You might see a brief loading screen while your file uploads and converts. If it takes a second, don't worry, that's totally normal, especially for bigger files. Once it's done, you'll see some options pop up, like whether to create a new spreadsheet or insert the data into the current one. For most people, creating a new spreadsheet is the way to go, especially if you're importing an entire Excel workbook. Just hit Import Data and you're all set. There you go, it's that simple. Your Excel data is now living happily inside a Google Sheet, ready to be edited, shared, or analyzed right in your browser. No complicated conversions, no need to re-enter anything, just smooth, easy importing. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button. And if you have any questions about this process or run into any hiccups, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials just like this one. I've got plenty more tips and tricks for Google tools and beyond. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.